St. Claret Seminary Umsning Parish kalapalongya ke Candlelight Marian Procession na St. Claret sa Umsning Auditorium hakapor sanchteng janmi bantuay na kabenta ka jingsuk haka jala Manipur kabaladap shisnem kenti haka umsaw jong ka jingyaki.
Kayo sa dahil kada. Ada lagi. Dan klik start on klik. Marapo kana kalili habang itu gibre kim don wanshu kamaria ka uji sule bat ke uji su sale ka badan ka kalayo kawan ka bang batian hagap hapo ke jingja ko bang mani hapo lepanto habang kini muslim paro ki gon sha ki kristan jungi kire tang kindiat pupuyos pesanung doai rosary para pa doai rosary pin sa job te kalong ka kampla ka bakarao Ladam day na katagat mahab ang lapanto, kan mur karisan ni baro kala muslim. Hari na gijing duai rosary, wala lagi spy ginon tang kindiat, kinong yan at hama ginon tang kindiat, ki jahat hama ginon tang kindiat, ki kristan kila job muslim, bangi salah banong kristan kumi. Te ine jing le barit jungi. Namar ni don gijing ay ikmaskan, ni kermen, ba kan saya lamingi, bat kata kari Manipur, kasinong Manipur, kan sayo ay gijing suk gijing sanyo, ay kamlong basuk. Ki parti baper kila persyang bandra ke jingsuk kamlo ke basuk nama ba donru ki parti ke naga jingdum ki parti ki bakwa bagade ka Manipur kan kulmar tang bikin kamsuk mati mo tigidon ki parti ki balong kumta badon ki parti ki ba kwa ban ban ga jing suk tigidon ar parti kawai ka parti ki kwa bakin sa ba kum ne khna bakin suk yela de kawai bar ka parti ka ba syam jinjar ki kwa ban pania suk tengi ngidon hakata kalian ka bangi kwa ban pania suk te ka bor jung ulai kalong ban pania teli ban pania e ban pania suk ki bor jung sui kre ki bor ga jing dom ki long ban pania paj ban pania pra ban pania sakma tengi hai nei gerkom le bare jungi idon hakaliang jong gobor jong jing syai ban persangkat bala la gobut gobor ban yarap ban duai na baga jing suk kan wan namar ka to jing sya jenjar jing gibri hadu mentamane kampat ko bar kadang yai tenge gine ki por banang wan te tangu blehi ubala ban le kata te kum ki kristan kum ki kun baye jungu i wai su barabor le kata kampla namun wan ga jing suk manipur kublai shibon kublai kurku gerdo ipi.
One of our body parts is injured, hand is injured, or a leg is injured, our body suffers, whole being suffers. In the same way, Manipur is a part of the body called India. When that part suffers, whole country suffers, whole body suffers. So we are also part of that body. We are also partaking in that suffering. Therefore, this evening, I am very grateful to all the people who helped us to make this possible. Firstly, I am thankful to Father Parish Priest for coming over here, for participating and for giving us the talk and for encouraging all the parishioners to participate in this. Thank you so much, Father Pius. I am also thankful to Rocky Killa, the chairman of Umsining town. He gave us the permission, he arranged the mic system, he made sure that this place is ready for us. He also controlled the traffic here. Thank you so much, Rocky Killa. I am also thankful to our OC, our Umsining police station, Sir Elias Marak, and all our police brothers who gave us security assistance and controlled this traffic. I am also thankful to Nikki, Carlos, and all our parishioners, all our fathers, sisters, all the students, and all our faithful who participated in it. Thank you so much. Now I call Father Parish Priest to give us the final blessing.
Syah jango nam ta gicingay ay bajingar ku idway ga por ku gerdo gini basim tam ta kasi bakilong sya gicing sya jong kuris ku gerdo gini kas sorum sling jingi baro ko way baka jing suk kan simshar bagito kibre ki bayan bakla kit hai shme play tra kan ra gadway sa state na kabentaw nong yalam jong ga sor jingi baro ki kala mame play tra kan ra pandab yu no sim knang ba mulyo ga jing slor ga jing klan ban yalam me kan ga sor jingi kumjo robo bukoros neki antame pra Samuel pra Tommy pra Rector Claret nantaki padar baro abawan RRPC ki sister jingi ni konben papero fer bagi kena jingi bagi pai runga jingi play try katrat haune ubnai bikin ma korpang ni kamaria Kristi tungin dua jor bakaria sai da kata jingi khwan ublai kena begini jingi jingi baro kinjom dipan kene da ukres try jingi kublai komaria try don rengkat bathi blai berbor berogor kui dia kerten ba berupun bermesin berkoi tingin ni isuk ke jingwai rosari kalakut